Okay, we're going to solve some multi-step equations. We're going to solve for x in these multi-step equations. Okay, so let's say I have the equation 25 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 plus 6x. Okay, 25. So what we do is that we do the opposite operation on both sides. So here we're adding 4. We add in 4 to 6x. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 4 from 6x from this, and we're subtract 4 from this. So 25 minus 4 is 21, and this minus 4 is just 6x. So we're just going to remove 4 from the whole thing. So 21 is equal to 6x. And then what we do is that we divide both sides by 6. Because we do the opposite operation. Here we're multiplying this by 6, but now we're going to divide it by 6. 21 divided by 6 is 3 with a remainder of 3, I believe. So that's 3 and 1/2 is equal to, and then this divided by 6 is just going to be x. So x in this situation is 3 and 1/2. And then let's do another one. Let's say 125 is equal to 3 plus 5x minus 2. Well, I'll show you how to do this. So we're subtracting 2 from right here. We're subtracting 2 from right here. So the way we're going to do this is that we're going to add 2 to both sides. So 125 plus 2 is 127. And then we're going to remove this 2 because we're not using it anymore because we added to it. And the way it works is that if this is you represent this as a negative number, so you're adding minus 2 to positive 2, so you just remove this. And then we have 3 plus 5x. And since we're adding 3 here, we're going to subtract the 3 from both sides. So subtracting 3 from both sides will give us 124 is equal to 5x. And then we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5 because we're just doing the opposite. We're doing the opposite and then removing 1. Okay, and then 124 divided by 5 is equal to 25, I believe. No, 24. The remainder of 1. So 24 and 1 over 1. 24 and 1 over 5, which is equal to just x. So x in this scenario is equal to 24 and 1 over 5. And the last one, what about 36 is equal to, sorry, my hand's shaking for some reason, 2x plus 3. Okay, well, let's do the opposite operations and then just remove 1. So 3, doing the opposite, we're adding 3 here, so we're going to subtract 3 from this side. It is 3, and then we just remove 3. And then we divide both sides by 2. And then 33 divided by 2 is 15, with the remainder of 3. So 15, the remainder of 3. No, it's 16, sorry. it's 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 16 with the remainder of 1, and 1 over 3. No, 1 over 2, right? 1 over 2 since we're divided by 2, yeah. And then this is just x, and that's it. So you solve it. I think it's cool.